So for this problem, it says the kite is inscribed in a circle and a radius is 3. We want to find the perimeter of the kite. So one important thing to note is that whenever you have a quadrilateral inscribed in a circle, that the opposite angles equal 180. So that means that this angle is 60. And then since this is a kite, these two have to be the angles that are the same, so those have to both end up being 90. So you can draw in your radius wherever it's most helpful. I would draw it here and draw the diameter. So that way I create a 30, 60, 90 because this is cut in half and that is cut in half. So if my radius is 3, that means my diameter is 6. So that means that this whole segment here is 6, which means that, remember, the short side is always opposite the 30, and it is half of the hypotenuse. And then the other side can be found by taking the short side and then multiplying it by root 3. So now you can find your perimeter. And 3. So 3 plus 3 is 6, and then 3 root 3 plus 3 root 3 is 6 root 3. And then this last one, circles Q, R, and S are tangent to each other. The centers of the circles are connected to form a triangle. And we have some measurements. So let's draw the circles. 1, 2, and 3. And Q, R, and S. So I have QR is 10, RS is 13, and SQ, there's a typo there, should be 16. And remember this strategy that we talked about with this. You want to find all the radiuses of all the circles. Well, remember the radius of the circle is always the same in each circle. So if that's x, you can also label that x. This could then be 10 minus x. This would also be 10 minus x. Going this way, this would be 16 minus x. And then this one would also be 16 minus x. So then I can take this section here and say 16 minus x plus 10 minus x has to be 13 because that's what the segment measures. So I go through, do all my super exciting solving stuff, and I end up with x equals 13 over 2. So that's one of the radiuses. That would be the radius of circle Q. Circle R would have a radius of 10 minus 13 over 2. And so 20 over 2 minus 13 over 2 makes 7 over 2. And then circle S would equal 16 minus 13 over 2. So 32 over 2 minus 13 over 2, that would make 19 over 2.